Hey guys, so in today's video I'm quickly going to show you how to make a spoiler text in Discord. So let's get started. So as you can see, I have already done that, and we see that it's a spoiler text because it has this black box over it. Now when you hover over it, well, it's still a black box, but when you click it you can see the message. So how do we do this? Well, what you want to do is you want to hold Alt and you want to press on W. You want this. You want this little thingy. So when you have done that, type your message. And then what you need to do is again type those two symbols, and as you can see it's been put in a box. And now when you send it, it's marked as a spoiler message. And everyone who wants to see this message will probably need to click on it to, well, see it. Anyhow guys, I hope this video helped you. If it did, leave a like. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below in the comment section. And if you want more videos just like this, subscribe. Anyhow guys, have a nice day.